Hi, this is Josh Rush from Audinate, and we're here at NAB 2024, and we have a lot of exciting things we're showing off in our booth here at NAB. The first is the expansion of Dante AV, which is the Dante video networking protocol, and we continue to have more and more manufacturers that are adopting it, more and more products that are coming to market. We now have over 50 manufacturers that have adopted Dante AV, and a whole host of products, as you can see here in the booth. Everything from PTZ cameras to encoders and decoders from a variety of different manufacturers. We do have the different flavors of Dante AV, so we have Dante AV Ultra on display here, which is our highest end solution, as well as Dante AV-H, which is the H.264. Again, lower bandwidth, easier to do multiple streams over a 1 gig network. So really excited to show off the whole family of Dante AV products. Also in our booth, we're showcasing sort of an early preview of Dante Studio with multi-channel input. So Dante Studio is the PC decode side of Dante AV, so you can get the streams into a computer and into any software that where you'd want a video signal. So we're showing that off in the booth as an early preview of multi-channel Dante Studio.